Today, we talk about
Yo, what up, my bitches? Public service announcement. Stop the garbage. Okay? Mystery boxes. I'm done. Fuck this fuck shit. I'm done. Listen, they're corny. They're cornier than corn. I'm sorry. Felt like elementary school all over again. Anyway, subtle flex, but okay. Nah, but for real, we really got to talk about this. We got to stop mystery box videos. Them issues is ridiculous. And let me tell you why. What are we really promoting with these? First of all, I'm tired of seeing them show up in my thumbnails. I clicked on one or two when I first saw them way back when. I forget when this whole trend started, but the personalities I see doing them, and I don't want to I don't want to be bashing people, but listen, I don't think it's that great. Okay, first of all, to me, if I were to do a mystery box video, it would be as if I had nothing better to say. And the best idea I had, the best use of my time is to put out a mystery box broken video. Good? Nah. Let me tell you my problem with this. First of all, a lot of kids watch them. Something sweet for the kids and shit. All right? And it's not smart, man. We're just promoting consumerism. We're promoting materialism. I mean, listen, yeah, do I have a fuck ton of shoes? Yep. But I have a reason for each purchase I make. And do I splurge? Yep. Now, do I have the funds to do so? Yep. Am I blessed to be in that position? Yep. But that's not the point. The point is, I could have 8 times as many shoes as this. I don't. Because there's a reason I buy particular items. Now, that goes contrary to everything a mystery box is meant for. A mystery box is basically saying, hey, give us a bunch of money, and we're just going to send you a box of ish. You don't even know what's in there. Who the fuck would do that? You're basically saying, I don't care what's in there, just give it to me. It's like, that just sounds so, ugh, I don't know. And listen, I really don't mean to bash anyone who's ever bought a mystery box. So if you've bought one and you've enjoyed it and it's brought you happiness, I'm happy for you. And if I'm wrong in any way, as far as like my perspective on mystery boxes, please let me know. I'm willing to listen and potentially change my mind. But just nothing about it sounds attractive. You're sending me a box for potentially thousands of dollars I spent on, and I don't know what's in there? Fuck out of here with that bullshit, motherfucker. How is that appealing at all? If I want something, I want that. And I think part of the problem is some of y'all that buy these things, let alone the guys and girls of you who do these things, what is it? Do you have no taste? Do you just not care? Do you have no sense of your own style or your own sense of preferences where you just care that it costs a certain amount of money, so it must be good? Like, that's not a good attitude to have. And addressing back to the people that actually do these mystery boxes, it's not a good example you're setting for the kids. You should be discerning in your purchases. What worse way to promote American corporation capitalism, blah, 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 day to day, Black Friday sales, Christmas is a what's the term? Commercialist holiday, hoopla, blah, blah, blah. We've lost the meaning of Christmas. All those arguments, you're only helping those issues. You know what I'm saying? It's like, have some taste, have some preferences, And look, is this mustache for everyone? No. But that's why not everyone does it. I did it because I like the way it looks on me. But, have your own sense of style. Go get what you want, And don't try to use a mystery box as a gamble to, like, be on the come up or something. It's just like when I'm seeing these sneakerheads like, oh, this is the pair I wanted. Really, motherfucker? Did they not send you that one because you asked for it? I don't know. Just asking. Or, oh my God, I already have a pair of these. Now I can double up. Bruh, maybe I should save this topic for another video, but here's a spoiler alert. This double up idea, I don't know, I think it's getting kind of corny. With how rapidly these retros keep coming back, and how many pairs of shoes people own now. Maybe in the olden days when that whole one to stock method was popular or popularized. Again, I wasn't around for that era, but I imagine maybe some part of it was, yo, I only own like 3-4 pairs of shoes in my rotation, and I want to always have a fresh pair of those 4 shoes, so I'm going to get a bunch of pairs of these. That I can understand more so now more so than now, where like, I mean, just in this picture, you see that many shoes, and that's like 1/1100th of what I got at home. So when you have all, with so many kids now, let alone me, you know, I am a big kid, but it is what it is. So many people now having multiple pairs of shoes in their rotation, is there really a point to rocking and stocking? By the time you get back around to wearing your other pair, it's already retro probably, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, maybe I'm just rambling, but again, I mean, maybe this was a perfect time to drop this kind of video with that whole mysterybox.net bullshit going on, or whatever mystery.net garbage that Hee Productions spoke on, you know, Ethan Klein of H3H3. Yeah, get rid of this shit. It's corny. It ain't cool. I'm not about it. I'm never going to get a mystery box. You can send me one for free. Fuck it. Yeah, sure. But yeah, I'm not paying for that ish. I'm not paying you money to send me a box of ish. I don't know what's in there. That is the dumbest idea I've ever heard. And I get how it makes for a good video, but that's because you got nothing better to talk about, I imagine. Everyone's got something worth bringing to the table as far as like creating videos goes. So maybe dig deeper for those of you that only specialize in mystery box videos. And again, I'm not calling anyone out in particular because I've only seen like 2 or 3 videos of these, and I was done. I was like, I'm getting nothing from this video. This video adds nothing to my life. So yeah, let me know if I'm wrong. Let me know if there's parts of this that I'm missing. But otherwise, yeah, we'll see you on the next one. We out. Peace.